Hey there, gamers. Have you been searching for the ultimate gaming keyboard to take your gameplay to the next level? Look no further than the ASUS ROG Falchion NX 65% wireless RGB gaming mechanical keyboard. This compact 65% layout keyboard masterfully incorporates arrow and navigation keys, all in a 60% keyboard frame. The ROG NX Red mechanical switch offers fast actuation and ROG-tuned force curves for great keystroke feel and linear feedback, giving you the edge you need in fast-paced gaming situations. But that's not all. The interactive touch panel makes it easy to adjust and customize controls, and with dual-mode connectivity via wired USB and 1 millisecond to 2.4 GHz RF, you'll experience stable, long-lasting performance. And with up to 450 hours of battery life, with RGB lighting off, you can stay in the game for longer. The durable and long-lasting ROG PBT Doubleshot keycaps ensure that you'll be able to enjoy this keyboard for years to come, and the innovative keyboard cover case provides on-the-go protection, so you can take it with you wherever you go. And let's not forget the wireless Aura Sync with per-key RGB lighting, giving you the ability to personalize your gaming setup with stunning lighting effects. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your gaming experience with the ASUS ROG Falchion NX 65% wireless RGB gaming mechanical keyboard. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and gaming content. Happy gaming!